What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Filmora Mastery. And today I have for you one of the coolest features in Filmora 14. Well, right here. Just make sure that your video is selected right down here in the timeline, and then under the Video tab, go on to the AI tools, and then scroll down a little bit here. You are going to see the planar tracking, just below the motion tracking. And right here, we have two options, the auto and the advanced. And right here, I'm just going to have a quick run on both of them so that you see and understand how they work. Starting off with the auto. Just after selecting right here, the very first thing that you are going to see is the selection, which is the one that you have to deal with firstly. So as you can see right here, I have to move it around and then look for the surface or the area that I would like to do the tracking. I would like you to notice another advantage right here, my dear. So the planar tracking doesn't just attract like this surface, the rectangle or the wider surfaces, not just that, but also it has the flexibility when it comes to perspective selection. And now, once you are satisfied with the selection that you have made, go right here to start the tracking. And now, this moment right here absolutely depends on the fastness of your PC and also the length of the video clip that you are doing the tracking on. And right now, the tracking is finally done. So right now, my dear, you are going to put something within your selected area here, and for that, you have to go on right here to link element, okay? So when you select here, you see there are options here. There's an option also to put up a mosaic effect. But there's also another option right here, which is the most important one to import from your PC, all right? Another cool thing here is that the selected file is going to fit in here according to the perspectives of the selection, as you can see here. Let's move on to see how it is showing up. Wow. That's great, and you can even do it with more precision for better results. And now, my dears, without wasting much of your time on this, I'm going to delete the auto trick right here so that I can show you the advanced, because there are actually other things right here on the advanced, which you must know, okay? So the very first thing to notice, my dear, is that we have the option for accuracy. This is where you can actually choose how accurate you want the tracking to be. Of course, it's always on the default, but there is the low here and the high. I don't really know or think of a situation whereby you would like to put it on the low accuracy. And right here, my dear, before you link an element here, you have to start by doing the tracking, okay? And as you can see just below right here, there are a lot more options right now because this is now in advanced, not the auto, which we did at first. This is now the advanced one, but despite the difference in the thing is just the same. I'm not going to waste much more time of yours by repeating the same process. I'm just going to explain to you how these options work, actually. So this option that you are seeing right here is going to track forward, like through to through, but it generally starts exactly where the playhead is. See, if the plate is right here of this video, the tracking is going to start right here to the last frame of the video. But now if you are using this option right here, it just to take one step, I can say like one frame forward, okay? Just one frame forward. If you hover your mouse over this option right here, it actually shows you that it only takes one frame forward, right? And now, as you can see right here, the way that I have explained to these ones applies to these ones in an opposite way. This tracks backwards, and this tracks one step backwards, one frame backwards, okay? And then after you are done the tracking, the rest of the steps are just the same as the auto tracking, all right? So this is all, my dear friend, that you really need to know about the planar tracking. If you found it helpful, subscribe for future excellent episodes, and until I see you in the next one, peace.